As I sit here, I am in the BlueSocks Hostel in Madrid, just 3 days before my 25th birthday. I decided for some reason to write, to journal, even though I felt like I really had nothing to journal about. This was my first time in Madrid, my first time in Spain. I spent 2 nights in Madrid, but one of my favorite things was riding the bus from Lisbon to Spain because it was just so tranquil, seeing the landscape change as I moved from city to city. It was an 8-hour bus ride. 8 hours, yeah, you heard that right, but it was so fulfilling. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm in Madrid and I'm going to try to vlog my experience here. I've been here for about a little over a day and I've been doing a terrible job at trying to document my experience to share, so I'm gonna try to do that today. So this is just an intro, I guess, to establish where I am, and I'll see you around Madrid. Ciao. So the hostel that I stayed at, it was a lifesaver because it was clean and it also had air conditioning, and it was really hot, like on average 40 degrees when I was in Madrid, so it was a lifesaver. My next stop was a Jamaican restaurant, and it was actually one of the main reasons why I purchased a ticket to go to Madrid. I was craving Jamaican food for a long time, which I hadn't had in a long while. My friend and I got the opportunity to see an opera show in person, live. We weren't necessarily inside the theater, but we were outside of it, and we were joined with scores of other people just hanging about, like watching the show. For dinner, we stopped at a vegan restaurant called Mad Vegan at the center of Madrid. So I'm just showing you what it was like ordering online, and also just showing you some of the menu and the menu prices. I ended up just going with some chicken nuggets, vegan nuggets, not chicken nuggets of course, and some tea. Smiling again for sure. So when I walked around, it was mostly in the nights because I couldn't last more than 30 minutes outside in the days because of the heat. And this was actually one of the few days I actually walked around because it was so hot. And the following day, or no, it was later in the day, I went back to the Jamaican restaurant because I just wanted to have as much Jamaican food as I could before I left Madrid again, because in Lisbon, Portugal, like I just couldn't find a Jamaican restaurant. I still can't. I remember when I was going home, I saw these group of people like taking photos, and for some reason they just made my night. So this video is very short, but this is the end of my vlog to Madrid, Spain. Every trip is different. For me, this trip was to give my mind and also my body a break. And the heat, I guess, allowed that to happen naturally because I couldn't get to walk around and do as much sightseeing as I hoped. So I just took the opportunity to chill, to write, to just take it easy and to relax. And I really appreciated that because I really believe that each trip is different. I wanted to get more content for YouTube from this trip, but it just did not happen. But I hope that you were able to get some sort of takeaway from this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you in another one of my videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps. It really does. And have a good day. Cheers. Ciao.